Info for patient. Info for patient.
Insight into vertigo. We are delighted to welcome you all as we'll explore the key insights and also share expertise on this very crucial topic, vertigo. Now, before we proceed, I would like to call upon Dr. Suhaib for the recitation of Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنما المؤمنون إخوة أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون सारे मुसलमान आपस में भाई भाई हैं, बस अपने दो भाइयों में सुलह करा दिया करो और अल्लाह से डरते रहो ताकि तुम पर रहम किया जाए। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम।
Country to share our current cases and learn from it. So now I would like to call Dr. Sarfaraz Latif to present the welcome note and introduce our guests.
Respected teachers, dear colleagues and residents, Assalamu alaikum. Me and my department welcome you all in this symposium on vertigo. I am really honored and blessed having a collection of outstanding and learned professors among us today. I'm also thankful to all the participants who joined us on our YouTube channel, Insta and Facebook page. So let me introduce shortly our guests. First of all, I will introduce Professor Azhar Hamid Sahab. He is a renowned ENT teacher and a great ENT surgeon. Professor Sahab was awarded Best Award of the Excellent Teacher by HEC. He is also Professor of Emeritus, and few years back I met a professor at Bahawalpur, and at that time almost all the Department of Punjab were headed by the residents of Professor Azhar Hamid Sahab. So he has long legacy of teaching. So his legacy of teaching is continued from generation to generations from his students. Thank you, sir, for joining us. Our second speaker is Professor Khalid Cheema Sahab. Khalid Cheema Sahab is very decent and very polite person, and we used to meet most of the time at UHS